Your next question is: which creature cannot see at night? These are your options. A. Rat. B. Cock. C. Owl. D. Parrot. The correct answer is B. Cock. Your next question is: urinating while bathing is a symptom of which disease? These are your options. A. Sugar. B. Stone. C. Cancer. D. Urinary tract infection. The correct answer is D. Urinary tract infection. Your next question is: which organism has white blood? These are your options. A. Ant. B. Snake. C. Frog. D. Cockroach. The correct answer is D. Cockroach. Your next question is: which city is also called the City of Dreams? These are your options. A. Mumbai. B. Patna. C. Surat. D. Kolkata. The correct answer is A. Mumbai. Your next question is: how many teeth are there in the lion's mouth? These are your options. A. 20 teeth. B. 24 teeth. C. 30 teeth. D. 32 teeth. The correct answer is C. 30 teeth. Your next question is: which bird has 3 eyelids in its eyes? These are your options. A. Eagle. B. Crow. C. Owl. D. Cuckoo. The correct answer is C. Owl.